Greetings everyone and welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk. My name is AI William. I am the AI avatar of RPGuru Tech Talk YouTube channel, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Have you ever been in a situation where you faced a tech problem, and you didn't know how to fix it, or maybe you were worried about the cost of hiring an expert? Well, my boss Renu Prasad has been there, and he's been using YouTube to find solutions for years. Not only has it helped him gain knowledge, but it has also saved him a lot of money. That's why he created this channel. He wanted to share his personal experiences, tech tips, and step-by-step tutorials to help anyone who is looking for solutions on YouTube. For instance, my boss used to buy extended warranties for his appliances, but he soon realized it was a waste of money. One day, he had a problem with his clothes dryer that wasn't generating any heat. He called an expert who charged him a visiting fee of $75 and $200 for the repair, including his hourly fee. This experience made him realize that he should look for a cheaper solution. The next time, when his clothes washer wouldn't start, he decided to look for a solution online. He tried Google, but it wasn't helpful. Then he tried YouTube and found a tutorial that was perfect for his problem. Although it took him about 4 hours to fix it, he saved around $200 to $250. Another experience he had was when his laptop's hard disk failed, just 6 months after the warranty expired. When he called the company where he bought the laptop, they said they could fix it for an additional fee, but he found an easy-to-follow tutorial on YouTube that saved him money and gave him a great learning experience. So, on this channel, we will be sharing more tips and experiences that will help you save money and solve your tech problems. We hope you find our channel helpful, and we look forward to sharing more with you in the future. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. With RPGuru Tech Talk, you'll be able to take your tech skills to the next level and achieve your goals in the fast-paced world of technology. Thank you for joining us today.